All right, let's consider this question. The empirical formula of an oxide of nitrogen containing 30.4% of nitrogen is, okay, we're asked to find the empirical formula on, remember, empirical formula is the simplest formula that shows the simplest ratio of atom of element present in the given compound. So now, since it is an oxide of nitrogen, so it will contain only two elements, which is nitrogen and oxygen. So now, the percentage composition of nitrogen is 30.4%, and that of oxygen will be 100 minus 30.4%. So that should give you 69.6%. So since both are in what percentage, you can change it to gram. Can rewrite them as gram, 30.4 gram and 69.6 gram. So the next step is for you to find the number of moles. The number of moles is what? Mass over what? Mass over what? Molar mass. Molar mass of nitrogen is, or the relative atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, and that of oxygen is 16. So you divide 6.6 gram divided by what? 16. So the answer you are going to get will be the number of moles. So the number of moles will give you 2.17, and here it will give you 4.35. So this is the number of moles. Now you're going to divide it by the simplest number of moles, and between this and this one is the smallest. So I'll divide 2.17 by 2.17, and I also divide 4.35 by 2.17. So if I do that, I'm going to get approximately I'm going to get 2, and here I'm going to get what? 1, because the atoms are usually in small number ratio, so you put them in whole number. So the approximation of this will give you what? 2. So that means nitrogen is 1 and oxygen is 2. So the empirical formula will be NO2. That is nitrogen 4 oxides. Please follow for more questions like this in chemistry.